What's going on, guys? Today's video gonna be a quick one. I'm going to show how to restring an Echo weed eater. Let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, guys, so the first thing that you're gonna want to do whenever you have this cap on, you have this hole right here, this hole right here. All it is this tab and this tab. You're going to push those in, pop that out, and then you'll find this centerpiece. That is where your weed eater string is going to go. So, go ahead and look at the string here. I like the twisted Rhino Tough weed eater string. I have found that it holds up a little bit better. So for my weed eater string, I typically cut about my arm's wingspan across, so from arm to arm. That's how much string I typically cut off. So you can see here we have one hole that goes all the way through the center. What we're going to do, we're going to stick that to the center, grab both ends, pull that to where we get it equal lengths all the way down, and then you can see here how this one's going to run on that first loop, and then the second one runs on the bottom loop. So start with the second, or the bottom, and we're just going to manually twist that up. You can see the little holders here that hold that string. Move to the other one. Lock that in place. There we go. So that is how the weed eater string holds on that. Next thing that we're going to want to do, you can see this crossbar here in the middle. That's going to fit just perfectly through there. So what I'm going to do is feed my string through this hole. I'm going to take this one, feed it through that other hole over there, and then set this in and seat it. So let me get this in real quick. Alright, now that I got that side plugged in, this side plugged in, all we got left to do is put the cap back on. So line those tabs up, squeeze it on there. Give me a second, can't do this with one hand. That's all it is. Pop it in there. And there we go. So, appreciate you guys watching. Quick, easy video. Did want to make it though, because maybe not everybody knows how to string a weed eater. So, now you do. Appreciate you guys. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.